Hey guys, it's Ivan. It's time for Dollar General's Any Day Deals. And Thanksgiving cash back deals are awesome, guys. The deals for the food is great. And you know on Tuesday, we do food because we can't eat detergent. Now don't forget the 3-day sale starts Wednesday at 7 p.m. and Thanksgiving deals start on Friday. We're going to come right to this aisle where they have the baking goods at and Christmas candy. This aisle, because I saw a deal that I wanted to do. You pick up the Betty Crocker frosting mix. It is a earn cash back $1 when you buy two, a limit of one. Then we have a spend 15, save $5. And then we have a buy one Betty Crocker frosting, get one cake mix for $1. Now, make sure that last offer is attaching. Buy one cake mix, frosting mix, get the cake mix for $1. They are not all attaching, guys. Then we have the earn $1 after you buy two of the Betty Crocker products. You earn $1 cash back. You could do that one time. So if you have multiple accounts, I have two accounts. I'm going to use both accounts today because I need to, okay? Do what you need to do, guys. Make sure you read all the tags. So $2 for the frosted mix. And I took that dollar off that they charged when I should have added it. So I took away it and zeroed it out, but it should have been $1 for each one. You're going to earn that $1 cash back, okay? Guys, you know my math don't math. Also, a deal that I'm going to do because I need to use two accounts is on the sugar cookies. The sugar cookies are $1.25. That Betty Crocker earn $1 when you buy two attaches to that. So $1.25 takes you to $2.50. Take your $1 cash back off, leave you at $1.50, 75 cents each after you cash out, guys. Check your cash back, okay? Now, the marshmallow fluff is 2 for $3, and I need those. They're originally $3.95. You have a spend 6, save 2, and then spend 15, save 5 on baking, just like the Betty Crocker mix. So, and they are also 2 for $3. So we have a couple of deals going on in this one. I want to use the spend 6, save 2. So I'm also going to pick up the jello, which attaches to the spend 6, save 2. Okay. And then the fluff is $3. Correct? So we're going to go $3 for the fluff. And then $1.50 for each of the jellos. Take me automatically to $6. Take that 2 off, leave us at $4, and they are $1 each. So those are $1 each. We're up to that. Now, over here, where the Pillsbury, I need the cinnamon rolls for Thanksgiving morning. And when we look at it, the Pillsbury cinnamon rolls right here are originally $3.65. They are 2 for $5, and we earn $1 cash back when you buy two, limit of 1. Make sure you tap the scissors, make it a check mark because we need it. I'm going to pick up 2 cinnamon rolls, but it is also other deals that you can do. The biscuits right here, if you don't want to do the cinnamon rolls, the biscuits, they have the same exact deal, and they're 2 for $5. And then you have the short can of biscuits. That's 5 count. Okay, look at those. And they are earn that dollar also when you buy two, and 2 for $3. So after you cash back, you'll pay $1 each for those. Now the board and cheese is originally $2.75. It is earn 75 cents 5 times. So you could do this deal 5 times and pay $2 each for them, okay? So I picked up a couple of cheeses. We need our lasagna. Now we're here at the Heinz gravy. It's $2.75. Scan it. $2.75. And you have the bacon deal. Spend 15, save 5, and then they're 2 for $4. So I'm going to pick these two up because I'm getting up to the baking price. But here is a stock up. Clover Valley sugar. Let's scan it. The sugar is originally $3.25. The spend 15, save 5 goes with the sugar, but it did not attach with the flour. So make sure you scan. Here it is. The sugar, we picked up 4 packs of those, $13. And then anything in my cart that attaches that'll get me up to the $15 to $16, I'm fine with. And I'm going to get what? That $5 off. Okay. So 13 for the sugar. And then I'm going to add in the other prices, the Betty Crocker, $16 right there. Give us $5 off of those products plus the sugar. Sorry, guys. The camera. $10. $1.66 each. Remember, we're earning cash back, though, on a couple. Now, the Crocker butter is another one. 75 cents off. Limit of 1 at the time. Remember, all your coupons load really slow, guys. So those will be $2.25. And then I'm going to pick up some yogurt. That's 4 for $3. They're originally 95 cents. So buy 4, you get for $3. And they're 75 cents each. The vanilla wafers has a deal also. Spend 9, save 3. And as you can see, they're gone. But I believe the Lorna Doones also attached to those. I just need to make sure I have enough vanilla wafers or Lorna Doones for the banana pudding. See that? Spend 9, save 3. So make sure you tap those scissors. And I believe these are going to go on sale. Don't quote me. Make sure you look at your newspaper. But I won't be able to get back in the store. I don't think so far, guys. So those are 5 and 4. See, we up to $10.90. Take 3 away, $7.90. We're gonna pay $3.95 each. I haven't paid $3.95 for a box of vanilla wafers in years. Also, these Oreo cookies right here also attaches to them. So whatever deal you need, guys, the deals are dealing in this store today. All right, I am so proud of. Now, the tea, Gold Peak. They're 2 for $4. I'm not a fan of Gold Peak. Right here. And you earn 25 cents 5 times off the Gold Peak. And they're 2 for $4. So we're going to, and then you're going to take the 25 cents off twice. You're going to pay $3.50. Divide that by 2. $1.75. Also, the Snapple is another one that's 2 for $4. Originally $2.75, and they're just 2 for $4. So if you're trying to earn cash back, make sure you do the one that's the best value for you. But the Arizonas, if you don't need the cash back, they're $2 each, and the tea is actually good. So if you buy two of those, that'll be $4 just like those, okay? We're down this aisle, guys, because the cereal, I showed you a do now deal, and they didn't have Frosted Flakes at the time. They only had the Fruit Loops. So let me scan the Frosted Flakes. The large box are 3 for $8. They're originally $5 each. You're going to earn $1.50 cash back. When you buy 2, it's a limit of 1. All right? So you're going to go $8, take your $1.50 off. Divide, that's $6.50 divided by 3, $2.16 for the large boxes of Frosted Flakes. So yes, do I think that's an awesome deal? It's an awesome deal, okay? That is the deal that I think I'm going to go ahead and pick up now. Watch the boxes, because I think someone cut it open while they was trying to take it out of the box, okay? Don't forget now, again, look at your ad. But this is where I'm at as of now. This is where I'm at. This is how my cart looks. A lot of baking goods, guys. A lot of baking goods. Bye, guys.